When it comes to starting a policy for the infinite banking concept, it's easy to get hung up in the details. Should I do this? Should I do that? Well, the question is, are you ready to get started or not? The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is to start today. Today we're going to talk about getting started and how to get started without overcommitting yourself. Hi, I'm Olivia Kirk.
I'm Tim Urich. We're from Tier 1 Capital, and we're here to show you how to regain control of your money.
For the best advice on controlling your cash flow, be sure to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit that bell to be notified when we upload new videos twice every single week.
Are you confused and don't know when to start the infinite banking concept? Check out our latest YouTube video where we talk about meeting you where you are and starting where you are so you don't bite off more than you could chew. We'll see you there. We recently had a phone call with a gentleman that we had spoken to about 4 years ago, and he just wasn't ready at the time. He got back in touch with us this week and he said, I'm ready to go. One of the things that's been bothering me for the past 4 years is that I knew this was the right thing to do. I just couldn't get myself to get there. Too busy, raising the family, etc. We just never were in a position where we could actually start. He said, but I'm ready to go now.
And that's the key, starting where you are. You see, you don't need $1 million to start a life insurance policy. You need a number that's comfortable for your cash flow and for your ability to move forward without feeling overwhelmed with this process. Ideally, we want to be saving 20% of our income on a monthly or annual basis, but that's not necessarily where you're going to start. It could be with a small portion of your monthly cash flow that you're going to redirect to the policy to start building a pool of money that you own and control. And over time, that money is going to become more and more efficient, and you're going to feel gratified by seeing it grow, having access to it, allowing yourself to leverage it, whether you're paying off debt, financing a vacation, or starting a new business.
And you see, that's the key, starting where you are, because you don't want to bite off more than you can chew, and we will never allow you to do that. And secondarily, you want to get started as quickly as possible. So there's a delicate balance, but the key is this. We know how to assess each situation for its individuality and to make the proper recommendation, because we don't want you to start a policy and then have to give it up. That would be a huge mistake, and we would never want to be responsible for that. What we want to do is to help you to gain control of your finances. And the way we do it is with these specially designed whole life insurance policies.
Leave us a comment down below. When did you get started with the infinite banking concept? Or are you stuck in the weeds and thinking about getting started? What's holding you back? Because let's face it, down the road, you certainly have the ability to get another policy, but you don't have the ability to go back in time, 4 years in this case, and start the policy back then. In this guy's case, it would have been better if he started small 4 years ago and then reached out, and we would have been able to grow and accumulate more and more wealth over time. And once you get started, you see the benefits of this. You see how easy it is to use, how great it feels to be in control of your cash flow and regain control of that financing function in your life.
And again, that's the key, getting started. Once you get started, you're going to have access to money that you probably didn't have access to previously. And that's where it starts.
I think of these policies as my forced savings account. I don't even think about it. It just comes automatically out of my bank account and goes into the policy, where it's able to grow and accumulate on a tax-deferred basis, and still I'm able to access it through the loan provision when I'm ready to make major capital purchases.
So she gets her cake and gets to eat it too. And that's the key, being flexible enough to maneuver to take on any financial challenges, any physical or health emergencies, or any opportunities that come your way.
If you'd like to get started with a specially designed life insurance policy designed for cash accumulation and the infinite banking concept, check out our website at tier1capital.com. Feel free to schedule your free strategy session today. We'd love to speak to you about your specific situation and how we could meet you where you are so you could get started. Also, if you like this video, be sure to check out these two. We picked them out special for you.
Thanks again for watching our video. And remember, it's not how much money you make.
It's how much money you keep that really matters. We'll see you in the next one.